Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Toto S550E washlet is an ultra-high-end, luxury bidet seat from Toto. It is a wonderful product, however, it is not compatible with all toilets. Therefore, before you make your purchase, you will want to make certain it fits your particular toilet design.
Let's help you make your mark.
Wiping after using a bidet is simple. Gently wipe or blot the wet areas to soak up the excess water. Remember that the area is already clean, one gentle wipe or dab should do the trick. We recommend using toilet paper, as most people already have it in their bathrooms, or a towel.
Take our lead.
Bidets are separate fixtures typically installed next to the toilet, with a standard faucet. Washlets are seats that fit on top of a toilet bowl and often have several cleaning options and other features. 14 June 2018.
Take our lead.
Most people pay between $350 and $500 for their washlet and install it themselves. The price will be higher, however, if you need an electrical outlet installed. The cost of installing a new GFCI outlet is around $120 to $200.23. March 2020.
Take our lead.
Washlet, Washiretto, is a registered trademark of the Japanese toilet company Toto, used for their line of cleansing toilet seats with water spray feature for genital and anal cleansing. The washlet is an electronic bidet and commonplace on toilets in Japan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.